Hi, and welcome to VeEX Broadband Basics. I'm Mike Collins, a product manager here at VeEX. In this series of short videos, I'll walk you through the fundamentals of our CATV products and highlight some of the key features in our broadband field meters. Each video is designed to give you a quick, practical overview you can easily apply in the field. So let's get started. In this video, I will cover some of our broadband frequently asked questions. VeGrade in the single channel mode. What do the different VeGrade grades mean? And the upstream total transmit power in the cable modem. What is the purpose of the upstream total transmit power measurement? VeGrade. What do the different VeGrade grades mean? The VeGrade feature integrates multiple QAM performance measurements into a unified evaluation algorithm, producing a 13-level digital quality grade from A+ to F. These reflect the overall channel's integrity. The first grades, A+ to B+, indicates all monitored parameters are within specification, with no impairments observed, indicating a high probability of optimal service to the customer premise. Next, grades B to B- indicates detected impairments are within the correction capabilities of the QAM adaptive equalizer and FEC and are not expected to impact service performance. Lastly, grades C+ to F indicates detected impairments are impacting in-subscriber services and require additional troubleshooting. VeGrade is available in the single channel measurement mode on the CX310 and the CX380C, as you can see highlighted in red on the screenshots below. Upstream total transmit power. What is the purpose of the upstream total transmit power measurement? DOCSIS specification defines upstream channel power on a per channel basis and do not define a total upstream power parameter. Total upstream transmit power as displayed by the meter is a calculated composite value derived by summing the power of all bonded upstream channels, including bandwidth scaled OFDMA channels for diagnostic and analytical purposes. 65 dBmV is typically regarded as the maximum allowable total transmit power for a cable modem. Operations near or above this level increases the risk of upstream instability or loss of connectivity. By selecting the question mark icon, an information window will display. This information window shows that the upstream total transmit power is derived from the combined power calculations of all bonded upstream channels. Note, when an OFDMA is included in the bonded upstream channels, an estimate symbol is displayed in front of the level. This estimate is based on a calibrated power measurement captured within a 1.6 MHz referenced bandwidth, which supplies only a portion of the OFDMA's channel total occupied bandwidth. The meter converts the measured 1.6 MHz power level and applies a bandwidth scaling correction to estimate the power across the full OFDMA channel. We introduced this field when MSOs began upgrading their networks to high split return paths and noticed that after adding the new upstream channels, many cable modems were struggling to maintain connectivity. The total upstream transmit power level field provides a way to measure the combined power across all upstream channels, making it easier to identify when the system needs adjustment to support the increased channel load. This concludes this short video on some of our broadband frequently asked questions. Thank you and stay tuned for more VeEX Broadband videos.